All right, so this review we're going to cover how to charge the Fiat 500e using fast charging public infrastructure. So first off, the charge port is on the right hand side, and you're going to pull out these two cables here, and you're going to come to one of these. Now you can use an app like PlugShare to find the list of available chargers, or you can use something like ChargeFox or EV Networks as well. So we're at one that I use regularly, so I know that it's ChargeFox, so I've pulled up my app so that I can connect to it. Now, don't be like this guy who has parked in another bay to use this charger, but is blocking people from using the other charger as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up to this here, open your app. In the app, you're going to select the available bay. So you're going to go for this one. So unclip this, plug that into here, and you're just going to start your charge on the app, and the phone will start for you and go from there. Now, this will take, if you're going from 0 to 100, is going to take you about an hour and a half to 2 hours worth of charging. If you're going from 0 to 80, it will take you about 34 to 40 minutes depending on the charger. This particular one has an output of 50 kilowatt hours. However, the Fiat 500e is capable of charging up to 85 kilowatt hours per fast charge. So depending on which one you find, you work out which one is going to be most suited to your charging needs. And then from there, balance it with price. So this one here is at a lot more affordable price because it is a 50 to 75 kilowatt charger. If you had a faster charger, it will cost you a lot more in charging costs as well. Now, with the Fiat 500, there is another option for your charging as well, and that is to use the included Type 2 to Type 2 cable. So the Type 2 to Type 2 cable looks like this, and with the Fiat 500, it actually comes with the car. So you're good to go. Outside of that, home charging is available, and with home charging, 11 kilowatt hours, it will take you about 4.5 to 5 hours to charge. Or if you're using your standard home plug or single phase charging, it's going to take you a little bit longer than that. So make sure you prepare yourself for what type of charging situation you will have at home and find the best option for your needs and how much driving you're going to be doing. Now, the car itself has a range of 220 to 250 usable kilometers out of the 311 claimed or quoted WLTP range, which means that for most daily trips, you should be able to just go home, plug into your garage, and off you go. If you have any other charging questions or any other information that you want to know about charging the Fiat 500, let us know in the comment section and we'll cover them off for you.